welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm gonna film a little day in my life today. It's already like noon, so I'm a little late getting started here, but that's okay. So today I'm going to be filming my thoughts on the Essie winter nail polish collection. I have my little color wheel here with my swatches. I always do one coat and 2 coats just so you can get a full feel of it. So that video will be coming soon. I need to open up some packages. I think Adam and I are gonna drive around and look at Christmas lights tonight, which is always exciting. And my office is just a complete wreck. The combination of being super tired all the time from being pregnant and then just Black Friday, Cyber Monday, filming gift guides, all of the things, my office looks like a bomb went off in here. So I need to desperately clean it up, take the trash out, get my recycling done, open the packages, get those out of here. So let's do that today. I asked you guys the other day what you wanted to see more of, and so many of you said our cooking, and now that we're almost done making dinner, I'm gonna show you. We're making mac and cheese and chicken. Say hi.
Oh, hello.
This is gourmet frozen chicken chunks, and we're making homemade mac and cheese with cavatappi pasta, and Adam's got the cheese sauce going. So, and I also got a couple of questions if I had posted our kitchen like refresh video. I haven't. We have aluminum foil back there as our backsplash so that we don't get anything on the drywall, because it's just plain drywall right now. We need to pick out a backsplash still. We still have some other random tidbits to do in here before it's done, but we will post that video when we finally finish up the last couple of things in the kitchen. We're now taking 4 cups of the cavatappi. It's already cooked and everything into... Al dente. Huh?
It's cooked al dente.
Yes, al dente. We're supposed to have a medium casserole dish, but we don't have one, so we're just doing this big one. And what is this?
White sauce.
It's just like the cream.
It's a white sauce?
Right, but it doesn't have cheese in it, right?
No. Milk, butter, salt, garlic powder.
And then
Cheese.
Quanto's cheese. A cup of each?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
So that's mozzarella and sharp cheddar. You have to get both kinds on both sides.
I'm going to. I have to mix it together.
Okay. Anyway, I'll try and get better at showing recipes and stuff that we're making from the start instead of bringing you in 90% of the way done. Honestly, my food and eating habits have been horrific recently, and I don't like anything, so we haven't been making that many exciting things. But all right, mac and cheese is coming out. That is bubbly. That looks actually really delicious. Adam tossed his chicken bites in buffalo sauce, but that looks pretty dang good. We're watching The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, and I am just obsessed with our living room right now, with our tree and a cute husband and our garland with the elf. We'll report back after we eat and let you know if this recipe is good, and if so, we'll share it. So did you like it?
Yeah, it was pretty
good. It was
good.
okay. It wasn't my favorite.
It was... I mean, as it said, it got thicker, but before that it was kind of runny.
Yeah. It didn't have as much flavor as I was looking for.
What kind of flavor do you want it to have?
I don't know. But I feel like the one that we made last year with the crumble on top.
That wasn't last year.
Earlier this year. That one even just the regular mac and cheese part of it, I feel like had more flavor.
Yeah, there was mustard in it.
Yeah, so anyway, it was pretty good. I will eat the leftovers.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. I'll check in with you guys mañana.
Adios, mi amigos.
All right, it is the next day. We went to my dad's shop because we have a bunch of stuff from the kitchen reno and just trash, and so we went to his work to throw it in the dumpster, and then we also punched more of the packaging for SB. So I took a clip of it, but I have this whole box now of packaging that I need to go through and just kind of sort through all of the extra pieces like this to recycle these, and then obviously sort all of the different jewelry types for each individual ones of packaging. So I'm going to do that, and also I want to unbox some stuff. I told you guys that the other day and then I just never did it. So I have a pile of boxes that we're gonna go through. First up, I've tried to take some of these out of the boxes because they come in a packing box and then in an actual box too. So first up is from Algenist, and it's this set, which actually the hand cream is one that I have talked about a couple of times this holiday season. It is the most amazing hand cream. It's really expensive. I think it's like $37 or something like that, but it is so good. It's sitting on my nightstand and I use it every single night. So I always, for this one, I think I've said that before, since it is expensive, I use it at night so that it's not during the day when I'm washing my hands a million times. It's at night where it can just soak in all night long. And then this set also comes with this sleeping collagen and this liquid collagen. So very exciting. I love getting packages from Algenist. It's such a good brand, and I love, it's like mermaidy packaging. Next up is from Skin Research Laboratories. Oh cute, they just sent me a little card, and then a 15% off code, which is just Sarah15. I can link that down below for you. And this is the brand that makes Neulash, which is the eyelash serum that I love. So this has the New Brow, which is a brow serum. This, oh, it's a mask. That took me way too long to figure out. It's a mask and I guess a neck warmer in one. Oh yeah, it says sheer face mask. This thin, lightweight, reusable mask is perfect for everyday wear. And then you can have it either around your neck or on your face. And then this little sequined pouch. Oh, and this, which is the New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish, which I need to try that out. I haven't tried either of these products. I'm very excited because I love the Neulash, so I'm excited to give these a whirl. Next is from Buxom. This is their 2020 holiday collection. So this is the mascara kit. It comes with 2 of their full-size extrovert mascaras. This is the Plumping Gloss Duo, which comes with Sophia and Mudslide, which this is my favorite lip gloss formula of all time. You guys already know that. And this set, this would be such a good set to buy and break up and put into stockings. So if you are still working on your shopping, this would be awesome. And this set would be great just to put in somebody's stocking in general. Oh, and this one, it says it has 3 new shades in it. One of the lip liners is in Incognito, which is my favorite brand, or my favorite color of the lip liner. So that is a good set. And then it also came with this. This is so cute. It's like a little disco ball tumbler. Okay, I wish I could have a fun drink in this, which I cannot, but this is adorable. Then I have a package from Pixie, and it has this bag in it. This is the multi-toning, oh, it's all of their tonics, the Milky Tonic, Glow Tonic, and Retinol Tonic. It's a little gift set. And then another gift set. This is the Let's Glow. It's the Cleanser, Glow Tonic, Mud Mask, and their little facial wipes. So again, Pixie is available at Target. So if you are not done shopping, you can grab it at Target still, you know, before the holiday. Then I have this package from Derma E, and this is De-Stress Dry Winter Skin. This is a CBD line. So CBD infused balm, CBD moisturizer, calming CBD serum, and a CBD cleanser. I actually don't know if you can use CBD products while you're pregnant. I kind of don't think you can. So I'll have to look at that. And if I can't, these are gonna have to wait for quite a while for me to test them out. And then from Dr. Zenobia, I have these two products, and this is the Retinol Recovery Eye Cream and the Inflammaging Night Repair Treatment. So this says it helps reduce pore size and the appearance of redness, fine lines, and puffiness. I definitely can't use the retinol while I'm still pregnant, so this is gonna have to wait. I don't know, I'll have to check the ingredients of this one, but whatever I can use, I will start testing out and of course report back. Okay, I think those were all of the packages. I have this pile of recycling that I need to conquer. We went and looked at Christmas lights the other night. I'm gonna insert that footage because I didn't have another video to put it in. So I figured it would go into a vlog, and it seems like this would be the perfect one. So I'm gonna throw that footage in now. Another day, another Christmas adventure with Adam. We are driving, if you're from the Metro Detroit area, we are driving through Sterling Heights. There's a couple of houses that I saw that were supposed to be decorated like crazy. So we're gonna check those out, and if they're good, I will leave the street names down below. Is that creepy? Okay, yeah, I'll leave the street names down below. But according to the internet, they look very promising. Whoa. I think that's it. It's cold outside. In the viewfinder, it's just like one, it looks like one big light. That is going to be everything for today's vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.